We will talk about how can you add phone number on your hotel's Banco map. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on account down here. When just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on profile, click on it. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down, come here to contact, click here on edit. Then you come to next step here, just switching to open video like this. You come to mobile number, add here your country, then here your phone number here. So then here can you click here if you want to send SMS updates here. Then you go down, click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like